In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place an image inside a shape. By the end, you'll know the cleanest way to drop any photo into a custom shape in Figma so it looks polished and perfectly contained. First, open Figma. You can use the desktop app or the browser version. Either works the same for what we're doing. If you already have a file open, you can stay there. Otherwise, create a new draft so you have a blank canvas to practice on. Next, make sure you're in the Design panel. You'll find it in the right sidebar, alongside Prototype and other tabs. The Design panel is where you'll control fills, strokes, and effects, which is exactly what we need for placing an image inside a shape. Now, click on a shape and add it to the canvas. You can choose a rectangle, ellipse, polygon, star, whatever suits your layout. Click and drag to draw it to roughly the size you want. If you're planning to use a portrait photo, a vertical rectangle or a circle often works nicely, but any shape is fine. The shape you draw will act like a container for your image. With the shape selected, look over to the right panel and click on Fill. This is where Figma defines how the shape is painted. By default, it's usually a solid color. We're going to change that so the shape is filled with an image instead of a color. In the Fill section, change the fill type to Image. This tells Figma to treat your fill as a bitmap rather than a flat color. You'll see options appear that relate to images, and that's your cue that you're in the right place. Click Upload from Computer. This opens your file browser so you can pick the photo you want to place. For best results, choose a clear, high-resolution image so it remains sharp inside the shape, especially if you plan to scale your design. Finally, choose your image. Once selected, Figma will place it directly inside the shape you drew. The shape now acts like a mask, neatly clipping the image to its boundaries. If the photo doesn't look centered or the crop isn't quite right, use the image settings in the right panel to fine-tune scale and alignment until it feels balanced. You can also try different shapes to see which complements your image best. And that's it. Open Figma, go to the Design panel, add a shape, switch its fill to image, upload from your computer, and choose the photo. You've placed an image inside a shape, cleanly and professionally.